the seventh question of theory of equations. It is given that Tn denotes the nth term of an AP. What is Tn nth term? Nth term means the formula of nth term in AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term. Nth term in AP. This is nth term in AP. In this way, we can write Tp also. Tp means pth term. That means Tp is equal to a plus p in the place of n, here p minus 1 into d. Here given that 1 by q, Tp is equal to 1 by q. This is first equation. Another equation, Tq, that is qth term. A plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by p. This is second equation. By solving 1 and 2, by solving 1 and 2, 1 and 2, by solving 1 and 2, by subtracting this one, here minus, here is also minus, plus a, here plus a minus a cancelled out, here p minus 1, d common, p minus 1 minus q plus 1 into d equal to 1 by q minus 1 by p. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. P minus q into d is equal LCM QP LCM p minus q. Here p minus q cancel. Next it becomes d equal to d is equal to 1 by pq. This is the value of d. This is the value of d. We can substitute. One becomes, first equation becomes, what is first equation? A plus p minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by q. We substitute d value. A plus p minus 1 into, what is d value? 1 by pq is equal to 1 by q. And then we can write A equal to 1 by q minus of p minus 1 into 1 by pq. Common in these two terms, 1 by q is common. 1, here 1 is there. 1 minus of p minus 1 divided by p. Here 1 by q. P LCM. Here p into 1 p. Signs are changed. Minus p, minus into minus, plus 1. Plus p minus p cancel. So 1 by pq. This is a value. A equal to 1 by pq. Okay, a value we know, a value and d value. In options we take C, TPQ. We observe the option C. We observe option C. We take TPQ. What is TPQ? TPQ. PQth term. A plus PQ minus 1 into D. A, what is A? 1 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 into 1 by PQ. Common in these two terms 1 by PQ. Here 1 by P1 plus PQ minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 by PQ into PQ. PQ cancel. That is equal to 1. So TPQ equal to 1. We observe that TPQ equal to 1. Here we observe the given equation. In equation we observe the given equation. What is given equation? P plus 2Q. This is the given equation. P plus 2Q minus 3R x square. We take that equation. P plus 2Q. P plus 2Q minus 3R into x square plus Q plus 2R minus 3P into x plus R plus 2P minus 3Q equal to 0. We observe that sum of the coefficients of the given equation. Now we take sum of the coefficients of the given equation. What are coefficients in this equation? X square coefficient, x coefficient, constant. We add these three terms. If we add these three terms, we get 3R plus Q plus 2R minus 3P plus R plus 2P minus 3Q. That is equal P 3P P plus 2P. That means 3P, here minus P, minus 3P. 2Q plus Q. Adding these two terms, we get 3Q. Here minus 3Q. R plus 2R plus 3R minus 3R. 3P cancel, 3Q cancel, 3R cancel. We get 0. So we are in this case we observe that if we take x is equal to 1, we get 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 is 1 root. X equal to 1 is a root of the equation. Why x is equal, if we take x is equal to 1, here also x is equal to 1, the sum of the coefficients is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 is 1 root of the equation. 0, that x equal to 1 satisfied this equation. If put x is equal to 1 in this equation, we get 0. So x equal to 1 satisfies this equation. Therefore, x equal to 1 is a root of the equation. Therefore, hence x is equal to 1, TPQ also 1. TPQ is also 1. Therefore, TPQ is one root of this given equation. Is one root of this equation. One root of the given equation. This is the answer. TPQ is the one of the option. C is the correct answer. Therefore, TPQ is one of the root of the given equation. So, we go to another question. Eighth question. Eighth question. What is eighth question? Eighth question. The value of A. The value of A. The value of A for which the equations x cube plus ax plus 1 equal to 0 and x power 4 plus ax square plus 1 equal to 0 have a common root. Have a common root. Is have a common root. Find the value of A. On options, A minus 2, B option minus 1, C option 1, D option 2. Okay, we find the value of A for which the equations, given that two equations are there, have a common root is both satisfies one value in one value, that is the common root. So, given equations x cube plus ax plus 1 equal to 0, x power 4 plus ax square plus 1 equal to 0. We multiplied the equation 1 with x. With the first equation multiply first equation by x. First equation by x. So x we multiply with x, we get x power 4 plus ax square plus x equal to 0. This equation becomes x cube into x power 4, ax into x square, 1 into x equal to 0. What is the second equation also given? Second is equation also given, that the second equation x power 4 plus ax square plus 1 equal to 0. If we changes the sign, minus plus x power 4 minus x power 4 cancelled out. Yeah, this is plus, this is minus, this is also cancelled. Here x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. So we get the x value. Both satisfies the one value. both satisfy, both x equal to 1 is the common root. Here x is equal to 1 is a common root. Common root. Here common root. Therefore x equal to 1 is a common root. Then the second equation, second or first equation, or take second equation, x power 4 ax square plus 1 equal to 0 becomes x value 1 power 4 plus a into 1 square plus 1 equal to 0. 1 plus a plus 1 equal to 0. A plus 2 equal to 0. A is equal to minus 2. A equal to minus 2. What is the value of a? Minus 2 is the value of a. Options. We check the options in the 8th question. A equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Next we take 9th question. What is the 9th question? The curve y is equal lambda plus 1 into x square plus 2 intersect the curve. Intersect the curve. Y is equal lambda x plus 3 in exactly 1 point. In exactly 1 point. If lambda equals to option A minus 2 curly bracket minus 2 only, the element 2 only. C option 2 minus 2 comma 2 set of minus 2 comma 2. D set of 1. Here we observe that given curve y is equal lambda plus 1 into x square plus 2. If it is the quadratic equation expression, this is in the form of parabola, parabolic form. If lambda plus 1 is positive, this is upward direction. Otherwise lambda plus 1 is negative. If lambda plus 1 positive, this is upward direction. Lambda plus 1 here this is x square quotient, and if quotient of x square greater than 0, this is upward direction. Otherwise lambda plus 1 upward direction, this is upward direction. If quotient of x square less than 0, that means lambda plus 1 less than 0, this is in downward direction. This is also parabolic shape. This is parabolic shape, upward or downwards. This is in the shape of in this way. But here given that also intersect another curve in only 1 point. Another curve means y is equal lambda x plus 3. This is linear form, linear line, one line equation. This is touch in only one place, one point, only one point. In this way, otherwise this is also, if it is in downward direction, this is in this way. Okay, one point if okay, in this situation we know that discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant equal to 0. In this is also, if this is minus b by 2a, this point is only one point. Curve and a line touches only one point. In this situation also, both curves intersect only one point. We know that discriminant equal to 0. So discriminant intersect only one point. This is lambda x plus 3. This is lambda plus 1 into x square plus 2. Both are intersect only one point. The intersecting point, what is what is the only solution? Only solution is we intersect only one point. So y is equal to y, lambda plus 1 into x square plus 2 is equal lambda x plus 3. We get only one equation, lambda plus 1 into x square minus lambda x plus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Lambda plus 1 into x square minus lambda x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this discriminant is both intersect at one point only. So we write in this way, discriminant here a is equal lambda plus 1. This is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation is comparing with a equal to lambda plus 1, b equal to minus lambda, c equal to minus 1. If both curves are intersect only at one point, we know that discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant equal to 0. What is discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. B, what is B? Minus lambda whole square minus 4 into a, lambda plus 1 into c, c means minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus into minus plus, lambda square minus into minus plus 4 lambda plus 4 is equal to 0. Lambda square, simplify, lambda plus 4 is equal to 0. 2 can write, if we write the 4, 2 square, lambda square plus 2 into lambda into 2 plus 2 square equal to 0. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square, lambda plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So in this way, lambda plus 2 is also 0. Lambda equal to minus 2. So therefore lambda value minus 2. Lambda value is equal to minus 2. Oh, okay, the set of minus 2 is the correct answer. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Oh, in intersecting point, y equal to in this question, we equate these equations, we get one equation. after the given equation, after this equation we get this equation, we compare the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then it becomes discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant in this situation, two curves are intersect only one point, at only one point. This case and also this case intersect only one point, one curve, and this is also another curve intersect only one point, at exactly one point. In that situation, discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So we get lambda minus 2 whole square equal to 0, lambda equal to minus 2. Okay, thank you very much.